Good morning everyone, I hope you've had a lovely weekend. This week we are going to start our next topic. So it's called gas chemistry and I'm attaching this booklet to your Google Classroom. We'll be able to do some of this from home, but the rest of it we'll have to wait until we're back in the classroom to do the experiments and stuff. But I thought this week we will maybe just spend some time doing a bit of research, which maybe normally we wouldn't have time to do whenever we were in school and everything was so busy. So hopefully this week we'll be able to get a bit of a look at what actually is involved in this topic. Okay, so I am going to send you this page as well on Google Classroom, and I want you really just to fill in this page by using the information in the booklet. Now when it says formula, what I mean there is like the formula for nitrogen gas is N2 and the formula for ammonia is NH3. You can do the rest, they're all in your booklet. And when it says draw the molecule or draw molecules showing bonding, I just mean draw the wee line to represent a covalent bond. I don't mean to draw your dot and cross diagram with your electrons, it's really just to show the lines. So like that. Okay. Physical properties, they're in your booklet, you can fill them in. It's like odorless, colourless, tasteless, that sort of thing. How much is in the atmosphere? You might need to Google that. I know we talked about nitrogen last week being 78%, but you might need to Google to find out how much ammonia is in the atmosphere. If you can't find it, don't worry. So you do need to know how much these are in the atmosphere, how much this and this is in the atmosphere. The other two, we're not too worried about if you don't find a number for those, so don't spend too long trying to do it. Okay, and then the second part of the task, so this shouldn't take very long because all the information is in the booklet. These learning outcomes mention what the uses are. So I've just put these down. I thought it was easier than me trying to write them whenever I was videoing at the same time. So nitrogen is used as a coolant and in food packages. Ammonia is used to make fertilizers by reacting it with acids. So it's normally nitric acid that it reacts with to make fertilizers. Hydrogen is used for weather balloons and hardening oils. It also has potential as a clean fuel. Oxygen is used in medicine and welding, and then carbon dioxide is used in fizzy drinks and fire extinguishers. So for the second part of this week, what I would like you to do is pick two of those gases, any two, and do a bit of research about the uses of them, how they came that they started being used for that. Like say for example, nitrogen, when did they decide, or when did they find out, or when was nitrogen first used in food packaging? Or why was ammonia, how did they discover that ammonia could be used to make fertilizers and that sort of thing. So it's more trying to find out the information behind it and why are we using it and why is it a good thing, what properties do they have that makes it good for these uses. What I would say is try to pick ones that you don't know as well, or that aren't as obvious, that you might try to learn something as you go through, or you might come up with something new this week. Okay, and then you can do it whatever format you want, whether it's a poster or a Word document or a PowerPoint or whatever. You just send it up to me and I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Okay, everyone, have a great week. Bye.